There it is. Last piece of coring other than the ramps we're putting here and here to help us with the ease of laying glass. Yes, yes, yes. Very good, very good. Okay, so there you have it. Two wedges, I guess, to make the transition from this level to this level nice and smooth and tapered, so we wouldn't have that hard edge. And that should be it for this bottom section of the stern. Okay, so here we are ready to put our last piece of core into the transom right above the shelf. We got it all sanded, prepped, cleaned, and got a coat of resin on it. And here's the core material. We chose to put the scores facing out this time. No particular reason, I guess. So this is the transom side. Got that with a coat of resin on it. Now we got our mix ready. Got our two mixes ready. And we're gonna get this glued in. It's gonna be kind of messy. So how about I get a bucket? Mix away, mix away. Let's put this. We can put this back. Wow. Perfecto. Perfecto. There it is. I'm really happy with how this transom is going. Very, very, very happy. Okay, so right now I'm getting started on fillets, or continuing fillets, because I want to do this where the fillets are set before we lay the glass, just so we can get some bigger fillets, because I've read that bigger fillets are stronger than smaller fillets. So I have my thickened resin in a bag today because I've seen others do it, and I figure it'll be tricky to get the thickened resin up under the shelf for that fillet, so this might make it a little bit easier. So we can give this a shot today. Alright, so let's mix and go. Alrighty, here's my general thoughts on using the bag to get the material on. That section right up in there is really nice. You get it on quicker and neater, but it's not foolproof. You still gotta know what you're doing, which I really don't, because that was my first time. And it still gets messy, but not as messy. So I think I'm gonna continue with it. I'm gonna mix up another batch and see how the second round goes with my newfound knowledge. Here's the transom, almost ready for its first layers of glass. I went ahead and did all the fillets. These all still need to be sanded, just to ensure we don't have any like this. Sanded like this section, to ensure we don't have any bits stopping our glass from laying down nicely. But it's pretty much there, except for this little section. I needed a little more to finish down there, so I was saying, oh, let me take some from up here, and I pulled out a big old chunk. So got a little patch to do before sanding and all of that, but I'm not gonna get into that right now. So what I'm gonna do is make another template. We have the template from this piece of core already, and that'll do just fine for the glass that is gonna be above the shelf. So now I need to make another one for this entire area below it, so that we could get our glass cut accurately. So I'm gonna be working on that this morning, and And just starting to get some of the prep work done, because there's a lot of that to be done. Lots of prep work before we can start laying up this transom.